Job, a story of faith through suffering. Job is a wealthy and righteous man surrounded by his family and livestock. In the heavenly realm, Satan challenges God, saying Job only worships because of his blessings. Raiders steal Job's livestock and a storm destroys his fields. A messenger arrives telling Job that his 10 children have died in a tragic accident. Job falls to the ground in grief, but says, "The Lord gave, and the Lord has taken away. Blessed be the name of the Lord." Satan asks to test Job further, and God allows it. Job is afflicted with painful sores from head to toe. Job's wife tells him, "Curse God and die," but he refuses. Job's 3 friends arrive and sit in silence for 7 days. The friends begin to speak, accusing Job of sinning and causing his own suffering. Job defends himself, insisting he has done no wrong. Job cries out to God, asking why he is suffering. A whirlwind appears, and God speaks to Job, reminding him of his power and wisdom. Job humbles himself, realizing he cannot understand God's ways. God restores Job's health. Job is blessed with double the livestock he had before. Job's family and friends return, bringing him gifts. Job has 10 more children and sees his family grow. Job lives a long and prosperous life. Job praises God for his faithfulness, saying, "I know that my Redeemer lives." A reflection on suffering as a test of faith. A message of encouragement: God is with us in hard times. God's restoration is greater than our loss. Faith and patience lead to God's blessings. Job's story ends with hope and trust in God's greater plan. Lessons from Job's story. Faith is tested through trials. God is sovereign, even when we don't understand. True worship isn't based on blessings. Suffering isn't always a punishment. God restores and blesses the faithful. Like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring Bible stories. Turn on notifications for more faith-filled content.